Today, I'm gonna share you the experiences I had in quintessential villages of the Cotswolds and Oxford. Burford, Cotswolds, visit the gateway to the Cotswolds. Burford, a town steeped in history, with the high street lined with picturesque shops and houses. Admire the heritage buildings and indulge in local cuisine at the quaint cafes and eateries. One of the large Cotswold wool churches built between 1160 and 1475, St. John's Church, a permanent memorial to Burford's medieval wealth. Burford's famous high street sweeps downhill towards the river Windrush, its medieval bridge, and its impressive church. There are wonderful alleyways and side streets just waiting to be explored. Burford is popular with visitors both for its beauty and history, but also for its shopping, especially antiques, and for the wide variety of places to eat, with restaurants, pubs, and tea shops. Bibury, Cotswolds explored the charming village of Bibury, known for its historic weavers' cottages on Arlington Road. We are now moving to Bibury. The distance between Burford and Bibury is 17 miles. Bibury is a village and a civil parish in Gloucestershire, England. It is on the River Cole, a Thames tributary that rises in the same Cotswolds. Arlington Road, you will quickly notice this color green on many doors and shutters throughout the Cotswold, known as Chartwell Green. Take your time to watch the fish and ducks swim up and down the river that flows through the village. Remember, the pace is slow and peaceful. Oxford, where you have time to explore the precincts of the many colleges, climb to the vantage points to admire the skyline or see the art and antiquities collections in the Ashmolean Museum. Explore the Great Hall of the University of Oxford's Christ Church College. Christ Church Oxford is famous for college and cathedral. Oxford is a wonderful place to visit. It is a home to magnificent architecture and history, famous literary figures, and unique traditions. Oxford has some of the oldest Gothic architecture in England, hence it's labeled as the city of the dreaming spires.